Queen Elizabeth II, United Kingdom's longest-serving monarch, died at Balmoral at the age of 96. Elizabeth II was Queen of the United Kingdom and other Commonwealth realms from February 6, 1952 until her death this year. Queen Elizabeth II ascended the throne at the age of 25. She was queen of 32 sovereign states during her lifetime and 15 at the time of her death. She was born on April 21, 1926 and died September 8, 2022. Her full name is Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor. She is married to Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh, who died in 2021. They have 4 children: King Charles III, Anne, Princess Royal, and Prince Andrew, Duke of York, and Prince Edward. No one knows the Queen's exact net worth, but Britain's Sunday Times estimated her wealth at £370 million or $426 million. The public has the chance to view the closed coffin of Queen Elizabeth II. The queue to pay respects reached as much as 10 miles and had to be closed for hitting its maximum capacity.